Um, Welcome. This is the motherfucking follow-a-thon, my first ever follow-a-thon. Give it up for your motherfucking boy for dude finally coming through with it. We are here, boys. 24 hours right now is on the clock, and every time somebody drops a follow, we're adding 5 minutes. And then every time that we hit a milestone, like every time we get 5 followers, or should I do 10? I don't know. 5 followers, I'll say. Um, so every time I hit a goal, so if you see the goal, once I hit 75, then I do a challenge, which I have written down on my iPad right here. Um, which I have, if we look, cocky nug over my head, pour soda over my head. Viewers pick 3 things out of my fridge to drink, and we could do one to eat. Chug a beer, hit a blinker, 10 push-ups, and then I want my viewers to give me some ideas as well, because I'm lost on what to do challenges wise. But we are just here, we're winging it kind of, but we're lit. No, it's not a winging it type of thing. It's a lit type of thing. We're lit. Thank everybody who's here. Thank everybody who is coming through. We're excited. I'm happy to be here. But the first thing we are doing on this follow-a-thon, the first ever one, we're doing a mukbang to start it all off, and I'm excited. Food's about to be ready, and then we're gonna eat up. I'm hyped, excited as fuck. But I gotta set up. Hello? Hold on. We're ready! I'm so excited for this! Chat, we're bringing all the food in. Because, um, because there's not enough room and I got a lot of plates. I decided I made a lot of food so you guys can see. Thank you. Please don't get any sauce on my rug. Your carpet, you mean? Yeah, my carpeting. There's not enough room on my desk, and I decided to move this over here. I'll be you. Yes, sir. We got the motherfucking French pizza bread. We got onion rings. We got jalapeno poppers. We got pretzels. We got um fries. We got cream cheese to dip on the pretzels, and then you know I have my Chick-fil-A sauce, and then to drink I got a Major Melon Mountain Dew, and I got Frostbite Mountain Dew. El Chick-fil-A sauce, LOL. I know you guys don't fuck with it, but I love my Chick-fil-A sauce, bro. I can drink this shit. You know, man. But no brand is. No brand, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Um, um, all right, boys. Try with some fry. I brought 3 ranks. It was so good. Five, 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 five. All right. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna do like a Q&A kind of. So don't be afraid. Anybody who's watching right now, don't be afraid to ask me questions in chat. And as I'm eating, maybe I'll just answer as I'm going, and then I can do it. It'll be like a little Q&A. The fire, we got so much food, so much drinks, so much entertainment. We have a night ahead of us, boys. Yep, you're mod now. Welcome to the team, my brother. So I need to put the camera up just a bit more. This is fire. We got a stream going. We got merch. Fucking nuts. Let's get it, boy. So, follow a thon. Follow a thon. Follow a thon. Best day of my life right now. Excuse me. I feel like I need to put it up a bit. You can still see all the food. But now I'm better in the picture, I think. There we go. So, um, look at it fry. It's fucking huge. They're waffle fries. Check this out, chat. Huge ass fucking fry. We got the onion rings. I'm so hyped. I don't even want to eat it. Just want to look at it, but pizza. This is fire. Oh yeah, got the motherfucking pretzels. You know, man. Yep. And cream cheese. It smacks. The only thing I use this cream cheese for is these pretzels. Onion ring. Dude, the hair. I think it's mine though. Five. I did pin comment. I think it's fire that you're a mod now. I did pin it. It does it not pin? Or should I do this one then? Is it pinned for you now? Or did I do it right? WWW, let's go. Mukbang. Beautiful. 哦 What's your dream car? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. My dream car? Alright. I don't know. But my dream car. My dream car. Like this is my dream car. Like I would like my dream car type shit would have to be the Skyline. That would be my dream car. Actually, maybe I would say a Supra, but I feel like it's not a dream car. I feel like a dream car. I mean, a Supra could be a dream car, I guess. I don't know. I don't really. Well, the thing is, I don't know, man. There's so many, but definitely six figures. That's how much that costs. Is that what you're saying? No. Oh, like a car that's six figures. Okay. I um. Hang on. Damn, I don't even know. Like mine is a McLaren 720 Spider, full carbon fiber body. It's like 350K. Holy fuck, that's a lot of money. Mine is a Porsche 911. WWW, right? Fast ASF. Yes, sir. See, I know a little bit. Yes, sir. RIP to the legend. We lost a lot of um legends, man. But I don't want to get sad on us yet. No, we gotta be hyped and happy. It's the fucking thing. Yeah, I know. I figured that's why you said that. I didn't know that, but I figured that's like why you said that. I got you. RIP to him for sure. I remember. I remember when that happened. Yeah. What's the fastest car you've driven? Like you've ever driven? Oh shit. That's fire. Nicole's gag is fire. Think scouts? But listen, dude. Oh, scoots, right? I mean that right. You good, bro? I'll be fine. It's fine. Yeah. I'm almost getting full, but I can't. But I got a lot more food to eat. You know what I'm saying? The mukbang don't end. You know what I'm saying? All right, boys. We're gonna dig deep and eat all these jalapeno poppers. Jalapeno poppers are hot, motherfucker. Hot as fuck. This one's huge. Look at this one. They're like two in one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's two in one. So it smacks. It smacks. Gotta open a new drink. I have a lot. I be drinking this shit, boys. I'm telling you. I be drinking it. Okay, let me eat this. I like to eat all the jalapeno poppers at once. So then I eat the other food, and it like calms down the heat. It gets my mouth gets super hot, and then it calms down. So then I get some of this food, and it like soaks up the heat. So like eat some of this. Have a little have a little bit of this action. I would like to call this the Broke Mukbang. I got a bunch of frozen food, cooked it, and decided to eat it out early. There's only one thing I think in my freezer I didn't cook, and it was we broke. Yes, sir. Yup. I don't got money for no dough dash or nothing. I mean on that frozen food from Walmart shit. You heard? I'm the only one. I'm the only one that eats out of this, yo. I double dip with myself. But yeah, I'm the only one that eats it. True, valid. But we lit. Bro, I'm getting full as fuck though. Whoa. Thank you for following. Yes, sir. W's, W's, W's. Yeah, thank you for following. I appreciate that. And thank you for the W's in the chat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, honestly, I'm gonna have to save the rest of this for later type shit, cause yes, sir. We got. Oh, that means we had 5 minutes to the timer. That means we had 5 minutes to the timer. I totally forgot. So I guess this is how I'm gonna do it. Um, I'm gonna go to. Well, I gotta go to, and then just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's 24 hours now. I think it's fine. Do 25 minutes? Okay. Okay. Oh wait, I gotta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 23 hours and 25 minutes. The problem is though, yeah, I'm full as a bitch. But I will continue. I'll finish it. I'll definitely eat this like tomorrow or something. Um, the problem I'm having, the problem I'm having is I have to put how many minutes do you think 23 hour oh hold on, let me look it up. Let me look it up. What am I doing? Oh yeah. How many minutes is 23 hours and 25 minutes? There we go. I did it. Fa. The person that followed me just texted me. Alright, I'm off my phone now. But boys, that is the mukbang. It was lit.